Hi guys, CarSpark 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. Our fifth one of the day, and take a look at this. Another new casting. And it was just made. It's a fancy version of the real Duggo Duggo buses that the UK has. But this one is no ordinary Duggo Duggo bus. This one is called Triple Decker, a brand new fantasy casting that was just made. It was something I've never seen before. Not real. And we're going to unbox this one and get a closer look at it. But first, let's look at the rear. Alright. We all know it's made in Oswego, California, and all of the fantasy models were made there. But let's look at the actual information. It says, kick it into overdrive for some cheeky fun without missing a single stop, even on a foggy day. This Duggo Duggo drag bus will win the race, no matter what side of the road it is on. Okay, never seen that before, even for a bus like this. Alrighty guys, let's get out of there and get a closer look at it. And out! And out! Alright, now I got that out of there. Let's get a closer look at this bus. Let's take a look at the front first. There's no details but a big engine. And right there, never seen that before. But on the side, there's a lot of stuff on this one. And retro trigger, Hot Wheels. Oh, that's all on that right there. Side is lots. And take a look at that. 4 on each side. That's 8 of them in total. Small wheels in the front, large wheel in the rear. A big rear. A spoiler in the rear, and a wheelie bar. And that name, wheelies. Yeah, this one can do wheelies just like the Chevette. Oh, there's even a parachute in the rear. Wow. I never seen that before. Oh yeah, there's this. This is exactly like the actual UK buses. Oh, look at this. This is the L2 right on it. And there's some numbers on this one. 52 and 22. Never seen that before on this particular bus. Alrighty guys, that's it for this one. See you guys in the next one. Bye everyone.